Hey friends, it's Robin Valdez. How are you doing today? You are watching Bout That RV Life, and my husband and I today are picking up a rental and we're getting ready to dump it here at this dump station. So this particular dump station has a sign, you can kind of see right there. It points out, or it hangs out really far. And the first time I came in here, I thought I needed to get really close, and so I got really close, and luckily I had someone with me because I almost scraped the whole side of my camper while I was pulling in here, and so I'm just guiding him in so we don't have that problem again today. So keep watching. First we put our gloves on. Wait, what happened? Then you gotta dive in and get this fancy thing. Stop recording for a minute and get the
not leaking now?
Just rinsing out this hose because it just had a bunch of nastiness going through it. Just want to make sure it's nice and clean before we put it back in storage. That way we don't get a bunch of smells and grossness the next time we open it up.
What you doing now?
Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is get this stuff all disconnected and put away. And one of the things that we've talked about before is these awesome little caps that I have for these hoses. There's one on both ends. And when we talked about it before, we were talking about how if you don't take them off before you hook them up to your camper when you're dumping, you can have a big mess and it's really difficult to deal with. But the reason why we put them back on while we're traveling is one, so that you don't get like debris inside the hoses that can possibly cause you a clog, but also in the spring and the fall, there's bugs looking for places to hide, looking for places to build nests, and they can get in here. So you keep the caps on, you don't have to worry about bugs getting in your hoses and having a swarm come at you when you open it up. So guys, all dumped, ready to head home. Consider subscribing and give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Bye now.